This time we are going to solve this equation in a little bit different way. Now, we have common denominator for all these fractions, xa, because xa is divisible by xa is divisible by a, and xa is divisible by x. Okay, I'm going to multiply every single fraction by xa. So xa times y over x equals xa a minus y over a. Okay, I multiply xa by this numerator plus xa times 2y over xa. Okay, so x and x will cancel out, a and a will cancel out, xa and xa will cancel out. That's why I'm going to have a y equals x a minus y plus x, and I have 2y. Okay? Now we have to find x. Okay? So let me copy down a y equals, I have x over here and x over here. I can factorize this x. Okay? So I'm going to have in brackets, because I have parentheses, I just want to make the difference looking. So I have a minus y plus 2y. Okay? Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just take off the parentheses. So I'm going to have a y equals x. The brackets, I have a minus y plus 2y. Okay, I'm going to combine the like terms. I'm going to have a y equals x, brackets, a minus y plus 2y is just y. Okay? I'm looking for x. X is multiplied to the brackets. In order to find x, I have to divide both sides equation by whatever is next to x. So I have to divide both sides equation by a plus y. A plus y. Okay, so I can simplify this fraction, and I'm going to have x equals a y over a plus y. And this is the solution to my problem.